apart from the approval of the king, what else do we do to make sure that the deity, this deity, Anama, leaves this land?
Anama is from our neighboring village. If the staff of Anama, deity, return to Umuana deity, it will never return again. But the staff must live with blood.
Human blood?
It is the chief priest that will determine the head they want.
What do we do now?
Convince your king.
Can you see this tradition is killing now? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see our people dying on daily basis? Can you see things are getting out of hand? So should we ignore it?
Mommy, we miss you. We miss you so much. Mommy, how are you?
So should we ignore it? Oh, our tradition. Oh, you go. Can you bang woman and now? Amen this tradition. Oh, men and banyo. Amen this tradition. Can you bang woman and now? Amen this tradition.
Patrick, I suggest you take your wife home to perform the necessary rituals. Doctor cannot allow my wife dance round the market naked. Would you rather prefer to remain mad for the rest of her life? Doctor, is there nothing else we can do? Okay? Nothing, just prayers. And as long as she remains here, there is no guarantee that she will be fine anytime soon. So I suggest you take her home. Suggest.
Still thinking about Patrick and his wife?
I can't stop blaming myself for what the family is going through. If I didn't sack Patrick, his wife wouldn't have gone to sleep with another man just to get him another job.
Such a deep sacrifice for love. He lost his job for the love he has for his wife. And his wife in turn went beyond borders to get him a job. Honestly speaking, a lot is pressed down for family to stay up.
If only I knew what I know now, I won't have divorced him.
I was waiting for you to say that. But you were too intelligent to nurture love, and you let it go.
Now I understand the value of love. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can right all my wrongs.
It is not too late. All you need to do is to try and love. You know what? You have to try and make peace with people you've hurt, including Edwin. If possible, go back to him. I mean, that guy still loves you.
No. I don't think he will accept me again. You know how uncomfortable he was being with me.
You can't belittle. Just give a try. A trial will convince you. Stop this. Come on. It's okay. I'm happy you've realized your mistake. Calm down, come on.
Nigerian Bar Association, Oka. Federation of Women Lawyers, Abuja. Jesus. Women Affairs Ministry, Port Harcourt.
Your Majesty, here are some envelopes. The men say that they are from the Ministry of Women Affairs.
Hi. Hi. Unanu kono. Na alata kono mmadu piko. How did he get to know all these ministries and the activists? Yeah, Port Harcourt. Oh no. Could you believe that that little boy has reported me to all manner of ministries, international lawyers, agencies, both within and outside Nigeria? Emeka?
Emeka.
In fact, if you see the number of visitors I've received in this my palace within the past few days, it is mind-blowing. Hi! Everybody, all of them, women lawyers, they are all interested in this case now.
Igwe, that small boy cannot threaten you. Find a way to silence him. Just deal with him and he will keep calm.
Oh no, you don't seem to understand. At this point in time, it is needless dealing with him. Even my personal lawyer is against this tradition.
Then find another lawyer. Don't allow them to bend you against the tradition and culture of the land.
Oh, I underestimated that boy.
Igwe, I suggest you call him. Tell him to desist from fighting the throne. If he refuses, then I will handle him myself.
Can you see this tradition is killing out? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see our people dying on daily basis? Can you see this?
Two of my wives dance around the village naked. Nobody talked about changing it. Now that it has gotten to other people, you want to stop it over my dead body. It will never happen. I'd rather die than watch this happen. Everybody that laughed at my family, they must take a fair share of their disgrace. Allah nine.
Baby, you are an epitome of beauty. I love you so much. I can't live a day without you. My life will have no meaning without you. Yeah. No, but that's the truth. Sweetheart, I thank God for the name that you have surpassed everything.
You see, this tradition is killing now. Can you see it doesn't suit this generation?
Emeka, the king summoned you to the palace. Now.
Now, why?
It's okay, honey. I'll be back shortly. Lead the way.
Please just come back soon, okay?
It's okay, I'll be back.
I'll sit here and wait for you.
It's okay. Okay, let me know why the Igwe wants to see me, okay? Move now. Oh, you want to carry me on your head? Move, I said it's not my compound. Move, I beg. Night, Prince. Okay.
This tradition is manipulating.
Greetings, Your Majesty. You asked me to see you.
Keep your greeting to yourself. I don't need it. Why do you trouble me? Why?
Your Majesty, the tears on the faces of our people is what is pushing me. Please, listen to the words of reasoning.
Now listen. Listen. Let me warn you for the very last time. The wind that will carry you from this palace, where it will drop you, not even the greatest seer will help you locate your way home.
Your Majesty.
Be warned.
Agumba, Mbosiaduroma. The kind of threat I got from the Igwe, I have never ever gotten such kind of threat from anybody since I was born.
Emeka, you will get more than that in coming days. Inasmuch as you have accepted to do what your father could not do, just get your mind ready to take heavy things.
Agumba, I need you to protect me from that Igwe. The Igwe's intention towards me are evil, which were there to see the way he looked at me. He has evil agenda towards my life. Please, I need you to protect me.
Just be strong and brave, but have it at the back of your mind that you have the backing of Agumba. Okenkita jisi anyoko. Nothing spiritual can harm you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Olu no mume. Hey.
Patrick, I think you should take your wife home and perform the rituals.
I've been harboring these thoughts for a long time now. I can't really face the shame. And I can't even imagine it.
You know what? I have been thinking, but I'm not sure you'll like it.
What is it?
Would you love to live in Canada with your family?
Of course, yes. Yes. Only if I can get a job there.
You know what? I have been making plans to send you and your family to live in Canada. I have secured a job for you there.
Are you serious?
So take your wife home and go perform the ritual. After that, you and your family will be flown abroad.
Emeka's wife? Emeka!
Hey!
What is this?
She drank something. She killed herself.
This is poison! No, this is Emeka's wife! Chineke Namo! Chineke Namo!
Go for her husband! Go for her husband!
I think I need to apologize to her. I cheat on her too, and nothing happens to me. This law that favors only men is really not good. I will have to take her away from this village to save her the shame of being around these people that have seen her nakedness. My love, I have not treated you fairly. But from now on, I will make it up to you.
Emeka!
What is it?
Emeka, how am I?
What happened? Can't get what happened?
The worst has happened, Emeka.
What has happened?
I can't even see what I saw, Emeka. You have to come with me. You have to see the what has happened.
Can you see this tradition is killing out? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see our people dying on daily basis? Can you see things are getting out of hand? So should we ignore it? Oh, you're cool. So should we ignore it?
You will kill my wife!
This tradition is
come and eat Come and eat the food that you have killed.
Emeka, what's the meaning of this?
This is my wife. Come and eat the meat that you have killed. Come and eat the precious meat that you have killed. Igwe, my wife committed suicide because she was paraded. Igwe, she was disgraced and her naked body was seen on social media. She committed suicide as a result of that. Igwe, go and tell her number. Go and tell her number to be able to differentiate between infidelity and rape. Igwe, go and tell her number that Igwe. My wife was innocent, Igwe. She was raped.
You should be ashamed to tell the world that you married a promiscuous wife.
No. I why is this not promiscuous today? He go back down, Mama. Then Adama should be able to differentiate between men. I need fidelity. Igwe, please. Igwe, why? Why didn't your daughter marry in our village? Why? Why did they marry for me name, Igwe? Igwe, answer my question. Igwe, where is our Lolo, Igwe? When our Lolo was healed, Igwe, you sent her abroad. Where is our Lolo? The date was not in our Lolo, Igwe. For 6 years now, Igwe, Lolo is nowhere to be found, Igwe. Igwe, you must tell us where Lolo is. DJ, ask your Igwe, where is our Lolo? Mute of this land. Ask your Igwe, where is our Lolo, Igwe? Igwe, get a Lolo, Igwe. Look at my...
Majesty, it is obvious that the queen was manipulated by Anama. I had to consult the gods today to be sure.
What did they say?
I guess right. I had to consult the gods today to be sure.
And what did they say?
I guess right. She cheated on you.
What? Lolo had the guts to cheat on me. No wonder. She always complained that I come fast.
Your Majesty, at this moment, we should think of sending Anama away from our land.
Why? Why will you say it like that?
I foresee bigger problems coming in the future.
Udiata Anama, there is no way I would have known that Lolo was cheating on me. Eh? It's an insult on me. But not just me, the throne of my forefathers. No, Anama remains.
What about law, Your Majesty? You know it will be unheard of to hear that the law of the sitting king of Oputu was made to dance around the village naked. It should not even be told in a story.
Let her remain mad forever. That's a price for cheating on me.
The story will burst the eardrum. How would people feel when they see their Lord loitering the street in madness?
No. I would rather send her to America. Let her remain there forever. This won't bring shame on me.
The fact that nothing remains a secret forever should have made you consider my suggestion. But the queen will be fine before anyone gets to hear of it. But who am I to refuse the king's order?
Anger is about to cost me my pride as a king. Something needs to be done urgently. I better eat my vomit than to face more humiliations. This will create more awareness and give the foolish boy more points to write on me. I better give them what they want.
Go and call him now. Go and call him.
Go and call him. Why not? We will not live here if we don't get what we want.
Yes.
Listen, nobody lives here except we get what we want. Yes. Aha, Igwe is here. Come on,
My people, I've heard your cries. I stand here today to declare that Anama be taken away from this kingdom and never to return again.
Igwe! Igwe!
Can you see this tradition is killing out? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see our people dying on daily basis? Can you see things are getting out of hand? So should we ignore it or amend it? So should we ignore it or amend it? Our tradition, oh you go. Can you bang woman and now? Amen this tradition. Woman and a banyo. Amen this tradition. Can you bang woman and now? Amen this tradition. Woman and a banyo. Amen this tradition. The madam Muchakwan, the Badana Bayari. This tradition is manipulating our people.
I saw you shaking right now. Are you suffering from epilepsy or you're crying? No, tell me. So you are still crying? Hey!
Auntie.
Why do you want to drown yourself in your own tears? I have told you, you still have a lot to achieve in life. Why are you crying like one who has lost hope? Why?
Auntie. Auntie.
Huh?
My world is crumbling as if I did something abominable.
Says who?
What did I do to deserve this? Gave him men. What did I ever do to deserve this?
No. You did nothing. And you have no right to question God. Even my very self cannot question the Almighty. You know, God has a way of doing things. Maybe He purposely took her out of the way so that He will bring to you a suitable wife that will bring you into fulfillment. You understand that?
No, I don't need a wife.
Eh?
I don't need a wife.
No, you need a wife.
No, I don't need another wife.
I said you need a wife that will, help you do things that you going around sleeping with all this. There is what we call staphylococcus and I've forgotten that other name. Article.
I said I don't need a wife.
You need a wife.
I said I don't need a wife. Don't you get it? I said I don't need another wife.
A wife.
The one I got for myself before brought me shame and misfortune. I said I don't need another wife. Auntie, Sipenpo, if you know you're coming here, it's to advise you to get another wife. Then I will advise you to stop coming to my house. Now get out of my house. Auntie Sipenpo, Chelo come and Sipenpo. I wouldn't even come from me to Biko. Now get out of my house. Auntie, get out of my house. I say you should get out of my house. Now problem, Sipenpo.
Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Ana m anụ. Afịa na anụ, ụzọ na anụ. Now the journey begins. We need a volunteer who will be brave enough to lose his life if need be.
How many volunteers do we need?
Just one person who is ready to lose his life
to face anything that comes his way.
I will find him.
We can't afford to waste more time on this issue.
Let us go.
Okay now?
Let's go.
Can you see this tradition is killing out? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see how people dying on daily basis? Can you see things are getting...
The dice is cast.
Okay.
What do we do now?
I think we should all go home and discuss with our sons. I'm sure somehow we might get a volunteer. I think that's all we need.
What if we don't get? As you can see now, it has gotten to the point where life and death is considered. And I don't think we can get any volunteer at this point. What do we do now? That is the big question. I wish we will get an answer soon.
Let us go home first.
Let's think about it.
Let's go home and think about it, but share it with our children first. Our sons, at least. I mean,
It's okay,
something
making a
might come out
point.
of it.
All right. Okay.
Good night, Kaji.
See you.
Can you see this tradition is killing out? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see how people dying on daily basis?
Greetings, my friend.
Hello.
Iwe, what did I just hear?
Sit down.
Oh no. That boy Emeka brought many lawyers, human rights activists into this matter.
Iwe, this is the affairs of the spirit. The government doesn't meddle in the affairs of the spirit.
Is that what you are going to tell them? Even the chief priest has already told them the possibility of abolishing this particular tradition. In fact, that Emeka made this throne so hot for me these past few days.
Igwe, you should have silenced that boy. In fact, you shouldn't allow that boy to be a problem to you. How can that small boy bend your decision?
Come to think of it, do we even have personal gain in this practice?
You forgot that if they do this, your Lord will be well.
Oh no, she has been mad close to 10 years now. Isn't that enough punishment for her? See, I don't have the strength to stand before these lawyers to fight for something that the people I'm fighting for are not even interested in. It will cost me a lot of money. See, Emeka's wife took her life all because of this practice. It will cost me so much money. Oh no. It will cost me money.
This means that the young boy, the silly young boy, has won.
If that's what it means, so be it. So far it pleases my people, I stand with my people on this.
Agumba, why not cow head? Why not chicken head? Why not goat head? Must it be human head? Must it be human sacrifice before we can return Anama?
The native doctor who brought the Anama for us was murdered here. So people will like to kill whoever returns the Anama. But normally, it is not supposed to cost human head.
Agumba, I want to return the Anama myself. But I'm not going to return it the usual way. I am returning it in a modern way. I'll go with policemen to return Anama. If possible, I'll go with soldiers, army, to return it. They will have no choice than to collect back their gates while I return back with my own life.
You mean you want to return Anama?
Agumba, I want to return Anama myself.
Hey! Oruoko Neruo!
Chiaka. to Aligodu.
I was on my way coming to the house. Mama, meet my husband to be.
Eh? Your husband to be? Chalo? Chiaka? Is it me to who?
Mama, meet my husband to be. The man that I want to marry.
Nka pozuru. If you don't to pose, kiss him your husband to be. In Apuala. Eh? Your husband to be. This is not Patrick.
But Mama, I know he's not Patrick. But he's the one that I want to marry.
Oh, you're the one that wants to marry him and not the other way around. Anyone. You are joking. Now who are you?
Yeah, my name is I'm a businessman from Ozobo. And she's my wife.
Imoma, you are a businessman from Ozobro Kingdom. Are there not beautiful girls in Ozobro? Must it be my son's wife? Eh? Your wife to be? Are you mad? A girl has spent all my money training in the university for my son to marry. Imoma?
Mama?
But she have told me a lot about you. How much you people have helped her life. And I'm ready to pay every day.
Shut up! You are ready to compensate me. Eh? You want to compensate me? In Apuala? Ibonyala? You want to compensate? You want to marry my son's wife? Eh? You want to marry my son's wife? You not compensate him. Please. Are you mad? Ibonyala?
Did you? My husband, I am pregnant.
Chalo? Is she pregnant? Is she pregnant? Is a question. Is she pregnant? Are you pregnant for him?
Yes, Mama.
He impregnated you? Come here! Come here! Come!
It's okay. Come here.
You see, this tradition is killing out. Can you see it doesn't suit this generation?
Easy, okay, I'll give it to you. The stick is finished. I've told my father to get some. Easy, I'll
you see things are
get home.
getting out of
It's
hand.
okay. Easy, I'll give it to you. House, okay? What? What is it? Stop the car, stop. What is it? What is it?
As if something left my head.
Do you still want it hot? So I can give it to you very hot.
Hot? Want what hot? You know I don't like hot food. What are you talking about?
My wife is fine. My wife is fine now.
This is good news. This is not happening.
My dear. Are you okay?
You forgive me.
Why are you talking about forgiveness? I've forgiven you a long time ago. I've missed you so much. My wife is fine.
I can't believe this is happening. This is happening. This is happening.
Oh my God. My wife is fine. Oh my God. Sweetheart, you're fine.
Stop, that's my father.
Good day, sir.
Oh, good day. Ah, Patrick. Annabelle. Please come. Annabelle, come. Patrick.
My wife is fine.
Oh, thank the gods. Emeka has returned your form of Anama deity to Ngbo. That means the marital law against women in this kingdom has been broken. I heard he is back now and people are celebrating him at the village square. I want to join them.
It's okay, let me take Annabelle home. First, I will come and celebrate with him.
Please, when you get home, be careful of your mother. Chinyaka came this morning to inform her she's getting married. And she's mad since morning.
But it's okay, Chinyaka called and I've talked with her. You have my support.
It's okay. It's okay.
Honey, who is Chinyaka?
It's okay, my dear. I will tell you everything. Okay? After the car, let's go. Baba, I will see you later.
It's okay.
Bye-bye, sir.
All right, my dear.
Sorry.
You're welcome. My daughter, how are you now? I'm fine now, Mama.
What about my children?
Mama, they are fine.
I heard they've returned the Anama to Mo. You see, we spend our time fighting a war that even if we win, we're not going to get a reward for winning. Please, forgive me for all the things I have done to you. Become one.
It's okay, Mama. I've forgiven you a long time ago. Everything is fine.
You're forgiving me?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! What about the kids? Where are they?
Mama, they are in the city. I'll bring him to you tomorrow.
Please do. Let's go inside. Come. Let's go. Don't worry, Kanji Denia. They go. Let's go inside.
Thank you.
My wife of my youth, I wish you are here to see this day. I thought the river was playing with the bull. I never knew I was taking the bull away from my reach. Anama made me lose my wife. Beautiful days diminish like smoke. Who will help me return the hands of time? I would have righted my wrongs. I would have given you my shoulders when you needed to lean on. Obi, I love you so much. I missed you.
Patrick, my man. You're welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you so much.
Okay. You're welcome. Yeah, good day. How are you? Please, be seated. Nolan, Patrick, you can also sit too. It's your house.
To thank you for what you did for my people.
Oh, that.
Once again, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I thank God for giving me the privilege to do that. It might not do easy. Yes. When I walk in.
This is Anita.
Okay.
My very good friend.
Wow. You're welcome.
Thank you. I heard about your great exploits and I decided to come and pay homage to you.
Thank you.
I came to offer you a job in my company.
Wow.
It comes with a fat salary, other allowances, including a house.
This is good news. I love this news. Wow. I'm very happy. But unfortunately, the governors offered me a job in the state house. Wow. So, yes, I've been offered a job at the state house. Congratulations. Thank you once again.
Congratulations to you.
Patrick, how have you been? They go to work on the bencher. Yeah, you're looking good. So, what can I offer you? Sorry, my manners.
I'm good, thank you.
You sure you're okay?
Now I know what it means to be married. Now I know how people can go out of their way just to keep their homes. I had a home, but I couldn't keep it. I wish I can get a second chance. I love Edwin. I made him lonely while I focused on other things. I slept with men in order to ease off the anger in my heart, which was one of the things he complained about to me. I gave my king's food to the dogs. Now I'm left alone to lick my wound. I wish I can get him back. Maybe I should go and apologize to him. What if he refuses? Anyway, I have to bring myself down this time. I need to fix my life back.
Why do you want to see me?
I came for us to talk.
Talk. Alright. About what?
Edwin, in life, we do things that doesn't really go well with time. But as time goes, it comes around. But
have you told her that we are now married?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Anita, you knew her already. Sandra. Anita, I remember.
I'm sorry. I can see that already. Sorry for the disturbance.
No, Anita, you're not disturbing us. No. Anita, I'm not angry with you. No, but by the way, you're not disturbing us. Listen, I notice we have different ideologies about marriage. So, I just have to end it. And the only way you can have peaceful marriage is for you to find someone that reasons the way you reason. That's all. Someone that reasons the way you do.
I am short of words. All I can say is I have learned my lesson.
It's okay.
I wish you both the best in your marriage.
Thank you.
Can you see this tradition is killing out? Can you see it doesn't suit this generation? Can you see our people dying on daily basis? Can you see things are getting out of hand? So should we ignore it or amend it or oh, you're cold. So should we ignore it or amend it or tradition? Oh, you're cold.